How to make your freestyle pull strong. Hey guys, what is going on? We are back with another video. As a quick reminder, please like and subscribe if you do enjoy our content. So today we are going to work on the pathing of our pull. This simply means where our hands path on the pull in relation to our center line and shoulders will dictate which muscles we are able to recruit. Alright, this is for freestyle in the full stroke. Now, as we can see here, we have a couple of still frames back to back to where our swimmer's right and left hands path in relation to his center line and shoulders. We have the red line as the center line and the yellow line as the shoulder line. Okay, typically most swimmers want to try and pad their hands just outside of the shoulder line, aiming back towards the hip. Now, a great way that we can practice this is simply by placing our hands on a pool gutter as if we're getting out of the pool, and trying to feel which placement provides us with the most leverage, where we can feel our lats being recruited the most, as we simply want to do in the full freestyle stroke, right? Now, after we do this, we can then play around with trying to place our hands too wide and away from our shoulders and center line, right, as we can see with the red and yellow lines, as well as also too close, where our hands are inside of our shoulders, right, and practically almost crossing over our center line. These positions are not advantageous, and we'll be able to feel we don't nearly get as much leverage as we do when we place our hands just outside of our shoulders. Once we find our strongest pull position, we then want to make sure we apply this to the full stroke, alternating between a few up and down reps on the gutter and some short distances of freestyle is really a great way to help us feel when our hands are pulling in the strongest path and when they are not. Thank you all for watching. We hope you have a great day.